Hi, I'm Michael Constantine, the founder and creator of FaceBodyHair. FaceBodyHair is your personal care simplified. This product consists of a face wash, body wash, and conditioning shampoo that is concentrated and potted in this water-soluble film. We use clean ingredients that are sustainably sourced. They are all housed in containers that are compostable and water soluble so that at the end of usage you have no waste. That's the biggest concern that we have here, is reducing our plastic consumption and buildup of waste. It comes in a single pouch which has one of each product, or a multi-use which has 7 of each, which is good for a week. It's easy, it's clean, it's simple to use. You can travel safely and easily with it. You don't have to worry about leaving anything behind when you're done. You remove the pod from the compostable container, which is made of a plant-based resin, and you add water, lather, and apply, and you're done. All the ingredients are mixed, and then they're pumped through this machine where 600 of these pods are produced per minute. So I can make a ton of these. This project means a lot to me because we need to be better at reducing how much waste we produce, how much plastic we consume, because the oceans are being filled with these plastics every day. By 2045, we will have more plastic in the ocean than marine life, and we need to really start thinking about that.